Mahomet, Tragedie by Voltaire. Act 3, Scene 1. Side and Palmyra. I can't help but think of Syria in reference to Palmyra. Palmyra said, "O side, keep me not in dread suspense. What is this secret sacrifice? What blood hath heaven demanded?" Side replied, "The eternal power deigns to accept my service, calls on me to execute its purposes divine. To him this heart's devoted, and for him this arm shall rise in vengeance. I am bound to Omar and to Mahomet have sworn to perish in the glorious cause of heaven. My next and dearest care shall be Palmyra." Palmyra said, "Why was not I a witness to thy oath? Had I been with thee, I had been less wretched, but doubts distract me. Omar talks of treason, of blood that soon must flow, the Senate's rage, and Zopar's dark intrigues. The flames of war once more are kindled, and the sword is drawn. Heaven only knows when to be sheathed again. So says our prophet, he who cannot lie, cannot deceive us. Oh, I fear for Side, fear all from Zopar." Side said, "So base and so perfidious. But this morning, when as a hostage I appeared before him, I thought him noble, generous, and humane. Some power invincible in secret worked, and won me to him, whether be respect due to his name, our specious form, external, concealed the blackness of his heart. I know not whether thy presence filled my raptured soul with joy that drove out every painful sense, and would not let me think of aught but thee. Whate'er the cause, methought I was most happy when nearest him that he should thus seduce. My easy heart makes me detest him more, and yet how hard is it to look on those with eyes of hatred whom we wish to love." Palmyra responded, "By every bond hath heaven united us, and Side and Palmyra are the same. Were I not bound to thee and to that faith which Mahomet inspires, I too had pleaded the cause of Zopar, but religion, love, and nature all forbid it." Side responded, "Think no more of vain remorse, but listen to the voice of heaven. The God we serve will be perpetuous. Our holy prophet, who protects his children, will bless our faithful love. For thy dear sake, I hazard all. Farewell." Now, it's said in Islam that the greatest jihad is the life as a whole. As great as it is to go to battle and give up your life,